So in this example, we ask students to collect information about the sale price of single-family houses, 2-bedroom in San Jose area. These are the information that we collected. So we're going to enter these information into our calculator and find the mean, standard deviation. And also we want to find 5-number summary and then graph the box plot. Perfect. Let's turn on the calculator. What are we going to do? We're going to enter all of these into L3. So let's go to Stat, Edit. Let me move this a little bit here. Stat. And then Edit. I have a lot of information. I'm going to enter everything in L3, the third column. We already used the first column, the second column for other data. So it's a good practice to enter everything into a new column. So the very first one, 2,798,000. And then 1,220,000. 1,499. We could skip these. Actually, so here then you had to round the whole thing. So since you have some values here, it's not appropriate to skip these zeros. So we need to enter everything. And then 1100. And then you have 899, 888, 1300, and 990, then 995. And you have 1,000,000, 1, 2, 3, another 1,000,000. Okay, to double check the number of zeros are correct. 899, 999, 599, 900, and 1019, 1, 2, 3, 2, 7, 98, 1, 2, 3, and then 1300, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So I entered everything in L3. Now we need to go to Stat and find Calc. We need to do a little bit of calculation, but here we have one variable statistics, so make sure it is on one variable stats. One var stats. And it must be L3. So to change L2 in L3, you need to click on second 3. So second 3 gives us L3. Frequency list must be empty. And then you click on calculate and it gives you the information that you need. X bar is about, okay, let's see, 1,333,105. It's about, so I'm going to use approximation symbol here. And then the standard deviation that we have, S sub X, or standard deviation of the sample is, okay, 620. Okay, 620, $127,000. Okay, that's a huge difference here. Perfect. So these are the information that we have. Other than mean and standard deviation, we can find the median as well. What is the median here? The median value, the middle value, move it a little bit up, is $1,160,000. That's the median. Median is about $1,160,000. So remember the definition of median. Median divide up the data into 2 pieces. So here you have your minimum value in the collection, you have your maximum value in your collection, and you have your median. Remember that we use median when we have outlier in our collection. It gives us a better center representative. Median has another name. We call it the second quartile, Q sub 2, or median, or second quartile. So as we mentioned, the middle value divide up the data, the whole data, into two pieces. You have a set of data on the left-hand side of the median, and you have another set on the right-hand side of the median. Of course, you can find the median of the data on the left-hand side, and you're going to call it Q1. Q1 is the median of the data on the left-hand side, and we call it the first quartile. First quartile. The median of the data on the right-hand side is called the third quartile, and we denote this by Q sub 3, the third quartile. So let's take a look at the data here. It says the minimum value is, make sure you see the whole page. The minimum value is about 600,000. Q1, or the first quartile, is about 1 million, about 1 million. The median, or the second quartile, as we found, is $1,160,000, and the third quartile is about 1,045,000. Okay, and the maximum is $2,798,000. Perfect. We can use this data and graph a box plot. So how do we graph a box plot? To graph a box plot, what are you going to do? You're going to select second y equals 2. So second y equals 2. Second and y equals 2. These two. You can use the very first one, stat plots. Plot number 1. I'm going to move it a little bit up. I'm going to use the very first plot. I'm going to hit enter here and turn this on. I'm going to use the arrow key to go down to select a box plot. You have two box plots here. The very first one gives you the outliers as well. The second one skipped the outliers. I'm going to use this one to show the outlier as dots. I'm going to hit enter. I make sure it is L3. So second 3, L3. Now I want you to click on zoom 9. This is your box plot representing the data. And as you can see, you have the outlier on the right-hand side. So let me write down the information down here for you. So second Y, and then select the first plot, make sure it is on, and then select a box plot, which is shaped like this. Make sure it is selected L3, and then zoom 9. Zoom and 9. And you see a box plot with outlier on the right-hand side.